In this video, I'll show you how to open a Wise business account. Step 1. Visit the Wise business website. Go to the Wise business website or use the Wise app and choose Open a business account. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Enter your business email. Fill in your business email address and create a secure password. Step 3. Provide business details. Enter your registered business name, country of registration, and business type. Step 4. Verify your identity and business. Upload the required documents to verify yourself and your business, such as identification, registration documents, and proof of address. Step 5. Confirm contact and ownership details. Provide personal information about yourself and other stakeholders or authorized persons as required. Step 6. Complete setup and explore the features. Finish the sign-up process, verify any additional requests, and start using Wise Business features like batch payments, invoicing, and multi-currency accounts. I have some tips for you. Have your official business documents ready to avoid delays. Use accurate business names and addresses to pass verification faster. You can link your Wise personal and business accounts for easier management. And check Wise's regional requirements, as some countries may have extra verification steps. And that's how you create a Wise business account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you.